In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to verify your email address on Discord. Intro. Begin by opening the Discord app on your phone or sign in through a web browser. Press your profile icon in the bottom left and tap the settings icon in the bottom right. Go ahead and select account. If you haven't added an email yet, press add email. You can also tap on the current email option if one is already listed. Enter the email address you want to use, then press change email. Discord will ask for your account password, so enter it and tap done. Discord will also send a verification message to that email address. Open your email app and check both your inbox and spam folder. Open the message from Discord and press verify email. Choose a browser to open the link, then tap continue to Discord. Your email address should now be verified on your Discord account. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.